Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Macquarie Bank Credit Card. There are two different ways to cancel your Macquarie Bank Credit Card. The first way is by online banking. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in macquarie.com.au and search. You will now end up in the official website for Macquarie Bank. Hover over to the login button at the top right and click on it. Now select the Macquarie Online Banking option under Personal or Business Banking, depending on your account type, and then log in using your Macquarie ID and password in the respective text boxes and click Log In. Once you're logged into your online banking account, hover over your credit card account in Account List and choose I want to. Click on View Account Details and look for Account Close option. Once you click on Close, you will be able to cancel your credit card. Another way you can cancel your Macquarie Bank credit card is by contacting the customer support. From the main homepage or the official page for Macquarie, go to the top right corner and click the Contact Us button. Call on to the customer service number for Macquarie Bank. Select your banking type and open up the Credit Cards tab. Select Existing Clients and you will be provided with a toll-free number. Make a phone call on this particular number and speak to a customer service representative. Talk to them and state that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Be ready to provide any information or documents that will verify your identity, and you will be guided through the cancellation process. Ensure you've settled a credit card balance before requesting cancellation. Otherwise, you will be responsible for any remaining charges and interests. So that was how you can quickly and easily cancel your credit card for Macquarie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.